Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up OneDrive for your Canon TS8351a. So first, what we want to do is basically leave the print app. We need to go over to the site cs.c-ij.com. It's a site for the Canon Cloud Printing Center. And basically in here we will have apps. Now let's go to OneDrive. And we will be redirected to the Microsoft login site. So all you gotta do is first enter your email and then your password. So I'll do it off camera. Now after that we need to get another device to sign into the Microsoft. So let me also do it off camera. And now if they ask you to stay signed in, then you can also select no or yes, depending on what you want to do. Now let's click accept because it needs our permissions. And after that, we will be able to print and scan from our OneDrive. So as you guys can see, after we leave and then click OneDrive, we'll still be able to do that because we've saved our passwords. And that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.